Morning, welcome again, Forex Trading Room.tv, live broadcast from our trading room, from our trading office. We trade here live Forex market. On Forex market, we trade currencies. Watching us, you have opportunity to see how we work, how we trade, how we analyze the market. This broadcast is especially for those who are trading currencies. Currencies almost every day getting stronger or weaker. There's lots of volatilities on this market. Currencies go up, go down. What we do here, we're analyzing the market, and when we see opportunity, we're catching the opportunity. We open position, we're trading, making money, sometimes losing money. Everything is live, nothing is staged, everything's just pure live. Whatever is going on the computer, the same is going on your screen. Before you start watching our broadcast, please see the disclaimer, and I'll be back after this message. Back, Forex Trading Room.tv, the first and unique Forex TV, live trading for our friends and family office. You will have opportunity to see more traders, different styles, different methods. Most of us trading and making profit thanks to Forex Pro Analytics. That's the only software on the market that shows everything on the one simple page. Based on movements, based on these arrows, you have opportunity to see now. We're taking decisions. Right now you see there is lots of movement on US dollar, British pound, Japanese yen. What I'm looking for the weakest and the strongest currency. I would like to find what is the strongest trend. I'm taking one currency versus another. That's what I see the strongest trend on the market. So US dollar, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, we see few green arrows, indicates that US dollar is getting stronger. Pound, we have some mixed, a little bit green arrows, a little bit red arrows. Let's go see the trends. I had before opened the position on pound and franc. It was a long position according to the last arrow on the 15-minute chart. The trend was pointing up. Then we have a little bit of the retracement here. Let's go see on the chart how it looks. This is 15-minute chart. I'll go to 5 minutes. I'm waiting for another blue arrow. This is how I use the Forex Pro Analytics. These arrows you see here are the same arrows which you see on second tab on Forex Pro Analytics. So we just have to be patient and sit and wait and see what's going on. In the meantime, let's check the longer term on Forex market. These time frames are longer, from half an hour till 1 day. Basically, the pound was getting stronger at that moment. What is great about Forex Pro Analytics, you can trade both directions. The trends are changing very often. Sometimes they're changing 3-4 times a day. What I do, I'm just looking for the strongest trend. Doesn't matter to go up or down. And after, when I determined where is the strongest trend, I'm just follow the direction of the arrows. The arrows which are on this chart. So I'm gonna be focused for a moment on pound franc unless the situation will change. I will quick check economic calendar because, like I said previously, the economic calendar is like a Bible. Without this, we don't know what's going on the market. It's just to give me an idea where eventually we will see some movements. You know, when the news comes up on the market, sometimes it changes everything, literally everything. So for today, economic calendar basically there is not much going on. In 10:30, in about hour and a half, we will have news from US market. This is about crude oil inventories. So it might affect the Canadian dollar. It shows like the inventory is a little bit less, talking about the survey. So we'll see. But it's not supposed to be big change if we're talking in terms of the whole forex market. So basically we're safe on this end. We don't have to be worried about economic calendar. The news, the one surprised us. So we just go and follow technical analysis based on Forex Pro Analytics. That's what we do here. Coming back to software. It's not much. A little bit pound and franc. It was stronger before, like 1 hour before when I sat at the computer. That's why I decided to go long on this trend, on this pair. So I'm just gonna sit and wait. In the meantime, please watch some tutorials. And I will be back after these commercials. Unless there is significant change, then I will sit again and we'll be talking about trading. So have fun, guys, and I'll be back. Hello, my dear watchers. I'm back. Pound, franc. This is the currency pair I picked today as the first one. I went in the long position. around here just on this top, and looks like I'm experiencing turbulences. There is retracement, so we'll see how we'll handle the situation. What I do, I will just follow the direction of arrows. I will just follow the big movements. Let's go back to Forex Pro Analytics. We see the trends on pound franc is not that strong anymore on the shorter term. You see one arrow here, nothing on franc anymore. If I go to the longer term, we'll see not much changed. Let's go to the trends. Let's see how the directions of the trend is pointing. Now we see basically that is the changing of the direction of the trend. The 15 minutes and the 5 minutes is pointing down. So what I do, I have no choice. I have to go with the direction of the trend. But I'm gonna go with the little bit bigger position. But I'm gonna make a sell now. So I have two positions open. I call it professional hedging. This is the safest way of trading. I have one position open on buy on the half lot, one position open on sell, short, with the bigger position, and just have to wait, sit and wait what will happen. I'll go back to Forex Pro Analytics and we'll see. Just bear with me. I gotta go take my coffee, a short break, two positions open. Just be patient, that's all. Never overreact. Back after short messages. Right now I would like to be focused on US dollar. Why US dollar? Looks like greenback is the most popular currency today in the positive directions for a US dollar. That's where we see lots of green arrows on US dollar, which means the dollar is getting stronger. So the 22 largest institutions, 22 largest banks with we are connected with, they buying US dollar now. What they selling a little bit of Canadian dollar, they selling a little bit of Aussie. This is the shortest analysis I can make now. Based on this, would be great to find two currencies. We have one, which is US dollar, and the second, just to have them crashed and have a nice currency pair for trading. Let's go and see how looks US dollar with the Australian dollar. That's what I said. The dollar is getting stronger, American dollar, and Aussie is getting weaker. We can see it here on the screen. This is 1 hour chart. Let's go to 15 minutes. It's the same story. I think I can go short on this particular trade, which is, for me, in my opinion, right now the best currency pair for trading. I just click sell. I'm gonna take a profit. My target is it's around here. Minimum 10 pips plus the commission plus the spread, so it has to be up to here. That's my target. Let's go back to Forex Pro Analytics, go to the tab with trends. I just want to remind you I have two positions open on pound and franc already. Now there's a position on Aussie and USD. I follow the last red arrow. That's what I do here. That's what Forex Pro Analytics is pointing down. Let's go to Aussie and USD on the 5-minute chart. Now we'll see the same. The last arrow is the red arrow. We see the support is in the level 74.54. Probably the chart will get to the support. It's a great opportunity to make money here. That's why I took this trade down. So I think we have a good 10 pips to take here in this trade. I'm pretty sure about that. Pretty sure about that. The chart will get up to here, to this level. I would like to show you the direction of arrows. Red arrow here pointing down. I think the chart will get to this point. I'll open one more position on short, so I have two positions open on short on Aussie, USD, and like I said, it's gonna get to this support, to this spot. Going back to Forex Pro Analytics, like you see, the only US dollar is now the currency worth of watching, and a little bit of Aussie, a little bit of CAD. Longer term, it's still a little bit of franc and USD again, but US dollar and Great British Pound, this is the currency I don't want to go one versus another, because it's green arrows here and green arrow here, which means it's the similar trend, a similar uptrend. I'm looking for two opposite trends, like a green and red arrows. So let's go back to the chart. Let's see my position open. There's the two positions here, and there's two positions here. I will just wait for take some profit. Bear with me, watch my charts if you wish. Just please be advised, the money I'm trading, this is my money, this is private funds. I don't give any financial advice. If you're trading on your own risk. Whatever happening here is about 45 seconds delayed. Just I don't want to be responsible for your trading, guys. What I do here, I'm just doing the analyzing of Forex market using Forex Pro Analytics. Tomorrow you will see the friend of mine, Jerry, he's gonna do the trade. After tomorrow is gonna be Xavi, after tomorrow gonna be Dan. And they have a little bit different styles of trading, maybe better. It all depends on the situation of the market. So far I closed those positions. You can see here it's from this morning and from the last day. Still make it profit, slowly but surely. So I'll go have my coffee. I'll be back if there is any changes on the market. 9:15. I'll be back. Welcome back. I still have my position open on Great British Pound and Franc and Aussie and USD. Everything goes with the direction of trend, so we'll see. We'll wait for resolving the situation. Going back to Forex Pro Analytics, that's what we see. It's still the US dollar is the strongest currency. Pound mixed up, not much going on now. Franc is absolutely dead. Nobody is buying or selling. This is on a longer term. If you go for shorter term, still we'll see a little bit of uptrend on US dollar and pound. Not much changes. Aussie, no more arrows on the long or short term. So going back to trends, it's a little bit of movement in our direction, the directions we here in the office picked. So again, we just have to wait and see how it's going to resolve this situation, hopefully on profit. In the meantime, just please see our disclaimer about how Forex market is risky, how easy it is to lose all the funds you have on the account. So I'll be back after this message. Thank you. break. I still have a couple position open on pound franc and Aussie USD. One position already closed. Just waiting for resolving the situation. I think it's not much going on market now. We are still trading with the trend. Go back to Forex Pro Analytics. Go to strength indicator now. Please take a look. We still have US dollar as the strongest currency. The pound is getting stronger. Aussie is getting weaker. Canadian dollar is getting weaker. So what I do, I took the strongest currencies and the weakest currencies before, and now I just have them versus one versus another. I'm just waiting for resolve those two trades here. It's not much going on, so we're gonna finish slowly our broadcast today. But I'd like to say, guys, thank you very much for watching us. We'll be back tomorrow. Have fun with trading. Be careful. Don't overtrade. We found our here private successful method of trading. We like it. We're making money. I'm hoping you do good as well. See you tomorrow. ForexTradingRoom.tv. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant day.